Hey guys, Bingo here, and tonight I'm unboxing a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is a handheld camera, and it's pretty much marketed as a vlogging camera of some sorts. So I was really intrigued when they first announced it. I've never heard, for some reason, about the first two Osmo Pockets, and I've only known DJI for their drones. And when I saw this, I was really intrigued. I was really interested. I wanted to get one myself. I think this was first released or announced about a year ago, more than a year ago. And yeah, I finally got one myself. Finally bought it and quite excited to open it. So let's have a quick look at the specs. It's got one inch CMOS. I think that's a sensor. 4K 120. It's got the gimbal, active track, the screen that rotates. Yeah, full pixel fast focusing, D-Log, which I think it's a craze right now with the new phones that D-Log like raw video where you can change the colors and stuff by yourself. Stereo recording, and it's pocket size, and it's supposed to include the device itself, protective cover, handle, wrist strap, Type C, and manuals. It was $849. That's Australian dollars, by the way. So about 500 or something US dollars. And I've been watching this product for like over since it was announced, pretty much. I've never seen this like drop in price drastically. I think I've had it on my wish list for about some time now, and it just never went on sale. Like about it goes on sale for maybe 5 or 10% off, but aside from that, it's basically been on the same price for a long time. So I'm not an expert on videos and stuff. I just want to point and shoot. That's it. That's why I probably am not gonna use that D-Log for now. So we are then greeted by this. Just slide it up. That's all in there. Let's put this to the side. We got stickers if you want to put that on your car or something. The quick start guide. I have to download an app before opening it or something. I hate that. I don't like that. Let's see how it goes. A separate small manual for the cover, of course. Some warranty, I guess. DJI store. And safety guidelines, probably just for legal matters. And I think this is the camera itself. Let's put all of these aside here for a cleaner look. Let's keep a box in there. All right, let's keep everything here. Start with this box here. That's all. There's just some gel of some sort in there. So, accessories, USB-C. It's like a wrist strap. And I think that's the battery. Oh yeah, like the extra battery goes into there. Here's the camera itself. It's actually pretty heavy. I thought it was like, I mean, not like heavy, but it's got some weight into it. So let's try if we can power this on, rotate screen. Got the controls here. Gimbal. Oh, that's just sliding there. So satisfying. Okay. It does work right away. Oh, I have to download the app and stuff. I can actually skip it for now. Swipe to enter playback. Enter some. Oh yeah, there's no SD card for now. It's got a quick tutorial. I'm probably gonna need that tutorial later, but it's currently at 10. What is it taking picture? Video. Oh, it's facing my ceiling. It's probably confused as to where am I pointing it, but if I can stand it there, it's actually pointed to my ceiling. Can I? Oh yeah, you can manually control the gimbal. So yeah, you can see like the side of my room in here. Oh, okay, it's interesting. It's my table there. Oh wow, that is so cool. Okay, that's a good quick look with the camera. Put it here to the side first, and then yeah, it just pops in there-ish. Pops like that. And then you can just insert this for more battery. And that's it. And that's the base product that's included here. But I did get some accessories. I was supposed to get the Creator Combo package, but I opted for the base for some reason. But I did end up buying like accessories and stuff. I reckon I should have just brought the Combo Creator. But anyway, I'm just gonna buy them one by one. First, I got this bag, official one from DJI. It's a pretty small bag. And just some few dividers in there. Uh-oh. Apparently, you have to... Did I just... Don't tell me I just broke like the USB-C. And it just fits in there pretty nicely. Yeah. And then I also got this mini tripod. I know, I can already feel like, oh, you should have just gotten the Creator Combo if you're just gonna be buying all the accessories anyway. But no, I only have enough to buy the base product at that time. So I guess this goes here. Wait, I don't think this is a battery. This is just like an extension. So that this thing can stand like that. Works perfectly. Works as it should. And then I did have a 256 gigabyte Samsung SD card. Not gonna open that. It's an SD card. I got this too from Amazon, which is a lens cap and a desktop stand, which I was just, I don't know, just felt like buying them. We got the desktop stand here. It's like a base. This it was just stand the camera. Oh, you can also turn it on, like if you want to record straight, I guess. But yeah, I think it just fits like that, so that you can stand it, which I'm now realizing that I already have the tripod, so I don't think I need this, but it's more stable, I guess, and much easier. Just pop it in there. And then the lens cap is actually, I got the pink one. Wow, this quality is so very plasticky, if you know what I mean. I think this is, okay, how do I turn this off without, I don't know how to turn this up. Okay, there we go. I think I accidentally turned it on earlier. It's just a much more secured, like it covers the whole thing instead of this where it's just half of it. But yeah, anyway, that's all I got for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and that's it. I'm gonna go and give this you know, just test it out, maybe upload some raw videos from it as well, straight from the Pocket 3. And yeah, if you want to see more random unboxings, just anything that I get my hands on, give a like, subscribe or something, and send me down a comment. If put down a comment, what do you think about this Osmo Pocket 3? And I'll see you guys soon.